The SSP2-RTD series of Stick-On Self-Adhesive RTD sensors are an ideal solution for surface temperature measurement applications. These RTDs consist of a Class A accuracy PT1000 or PT1000 RTD Element with a self-adhering Kapton Polyimide tape patch designed to stick to clean, dry, smooth surfaces. The wire insulation is PFA with PFA outer jacket. SSP2-RTD Series RTDs are easy to install, accurate surface temperature sensors with a wide range of applications in a range of industries, including the Automotive Industry, the Pharmaceutical Industry, and laboratory testing environments. The SSP2-RTD series of Stick-On Self-Adhesive RTD sensors are in stock and ready to ship worldwide. For additional pricing and technical questions, contact us now to speak to an experienced application engineer. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the bell to turn on notifications. Harold G. Schaevitz Industries. Performance and reliability is our business. Thanks for being on our team.